Hi, Shayla Mental BTI, and I want to show you what I love about this Manuka Relief Ultra Soothing Cream.
We are in love with this Clearbody Organics Manuka Relief Ultra Soothing Cream. I love the texture of it. It's so nice and light and kind of a whipped texture. So it's not greasy, doesn't feel harsh or heavy on your skin, and really just takes my cracked, dry hands to a very supple, smooth look. Like I said, no greasiness. So I can wear this cream any time of day. I love that it's got these great little moisture beads in it. So you can see the Manuka honey, the colloidal oatmeal, all those wonderful ingredients in this cream that really do help just lock in that moisture. My son has very dry, cracked, red, irritated hands. They even tend to bleed. So he is loving this because it immediately just soothes that irritation, calms the redness, and really helps them just not be so itchy. And when he puts this on overnight, I'm telling you, his hands are like new in the morning. So with all these wonderful ingredients, the lavender oil, the aloe leaf juice, the arnica extract, this hand cream is by far one of the best ones for your dry, cracked, irritated skin.
I absolutely love this Manuka Relief Soothing Cream. It has been so nice on my dry, cracked skin. It is a great cream to have on hand, and that is my point of view.